So we got the motor all torn apart. It looks pretty good. Looks like it's been surfaced at some point, but not recently. Not as recently as I like it. But here's the inside of the heads, a little charred up. A lot of garbage in there, so it's gonna have to be cleaned. Take it over here. Same thing over there. A couple of spots. The valves all look decent. Cam looks good, but this does not look good. You see those grooves in there? A couple down there. So the crank might need to be replaced or turned. I'm gonna see what the machine shop says. Pistons all look good. They're not all jacked up. The rings, they're all compressed in there. There's a little bit of springiness in them, you can see. They're above the edge. So that's good. They should be fine. But the crank definitely needs to be turned, especially right there. And that's the flywheel side. I don't know what else to say about that, but I just want to give you an update. We're going to take it to the machine shop maybe tomorrow, maybe Wednesday. Got a trip coming up. I did, however, get a new torque wrench from the pawn shop. Husky 250 foot-pound torque wrench, half-inch drive. It's in really good shape, barely used. Picked it up for 60 bucks plus tax, so that's a good deal. It definitely gonna need it to put this motor back together. My daughter picked up hers, so she needed to do some front end work on her spindles and the A-arms and stuff she's putting in her Mustang, so she needed it. So I needed another one. Didn't want to drive to Fort Worth to get it. So anyway, that's what we're doing. Just a quick update on that. So there's the other pistons down there. Didn't have room to pile them all up there. But we'll see what the machine shop says. And there's a little bit more gunk there, but that's all gets cleaned out with the heat bath that they put them in. So that should be all good. So other than that, we got the garage cleaned up and ready to start working on it once we get it back. But that's what we got going on. Later.